My name is Sean Willis. I am Managing Director at Terrapin and we're the organisers of Highways UK. This year's event is really fantastic. We are seeing it significantly busier than last year, more visitors through the doors this year. When people think of highways, they don't often think of this as a technology area, but actually a lot of technology is really key.
Hi, I'm David Smith. I work for WJ Group and I'm the Head of Transformation. WJ Group specialise in road line markings. We also do high friction surfacing, CCTV. Probably one of the most important features for us has been the consistency that it gives us across the group. It means we can share best practice really quickly. We can make changes to those practices, but we can get those practices out in field quickly and easily. They've been excellent when working side by side, patient with me as an individual and patient with us as a business to get the tool working. I really would recommend Reflow as a partner.
It'd be nice to be doing support sessions face to face. We spend a lot of time speaking to people on the phone and over email, so I think the one-to-one experience will be really great. I'm really looking forward to showing people how Reflow can help their business.
My name's Ed Hogg. I'm the Technical Operations Manager for Beaumont Traffic Management. We've been established for 27 years providing temporary traffic management. We've been using Reflow for about 12 months now. We're still very much in the early stages of the implementation, but the fact that our guys now don't get a piece of paper at the beginning of the day telling them where they're going, the fact that we've got it is a big stepping block for us. Trying to improve the way that we use the system over the next 12 months will be a big thing for us.
This year at Highways UK it's been incredible. It's been a fantastic event. We have had so much foot traffic. The team at Reflow, we love these guys. Yeah, we've worked with them now for many years. It was fantastic to be involved with them last night for their Innovation Award that they rightly won at the Highways UK Awards last night, which was fantastic to the guys at Reflow. The whole thing that we've had with Reflow over the years has been a two-way street. We talk, we collaborate, and that's what we love by working with the guys at Reflow.
We've really enjoyed showing what Reflow had to offer. We've had a lot of new people come through, a lot of existing customers, so bring on day two.